What's up, you guys? So from the request of one of my friends who has been obsessed with Ariana Grande since I can remember her, I'm going to be doing an Ariana Grande inspired look today. So we all know who she is, we all love her, so I thought that it would be really fun to do something based off of her No Tears Left to Cry music video. And the photo that I want to be basing this off of is going to be right over here. And let's just get started. So as you can see from the look, it is a very luminous, glowy look, and the glitter and the sparkles are a big thing in this look. Other than the glitter all over the eyelid, I think it's a pretty simple look. It's dramatic, but it's still simple, which I kind of like, and that's why I wanted to do a look like that. Because of this whole luminous thing going on with her skin, I'm going to be priming with the Smashbox plus Vlada Photo Finish Petal Metal Primer. And I primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original. I know I've said in my old videos that I don't like lashes, but I think for this video it would be important to use them, especially with Ariana's lashes looking super thick like that. And I know it's not super conventional to put lashes on right before you do your entire makeup. I know you leave that to the end, but I've done that before and I don't like doing that, so I'm just going to put them on right before I do everything else. So I use the Kiss Look So Natural lashes. I'm going to start with my face first. I'm going to be using the Laura Geller Filter First Luminous Foundation in Fawn. And now I want to start onto the eyes. So to start off with, I want to first use the Too Faced Natural Love palette. To set my base, I want to use the shade called Spotlight all over my lid. For my transition shade, I want to first use Nudie, and then I want to go into my crease with Makeup and Chill. Just like her song, Christmas and Chill. For my outer V, I want to use the shade called Coffee Date. And then I want to use the Too Faced Glitter Glue Primer, and I want to dab that onto the center of my lid where the glitter is going to go. Now using the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the shade Rose Gold Retro, and I'm going to be pressing that onto my lid. Alright, so my eyeshadow is done. I really love this look. I just love everything about this look. I love glitter and I love the dark shades transitioning it. It's just it's beautiful. I love it. So moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Tarte Maneater eyeliner, and I'm just going to make very subtle wings. We're almost done. Instead of using a lot of mascara, I'm just going to be using the Tarte Maneater mascara, and I'm only going to be using a little bit because I am wearing falsies. Okay, so my eyes are done. I am already obsessed with this look. I know it's going to be so gorgeous as we keep going, and I'm so excited to see the final product. So to clean up any fallout, I'm going to be using the Born This Way Too Faced Sculpting Concealer, and I'm going to be using this in the shade Sand. Alright, so moving on, because this look is very much reliant on just inner glow and everything, I'm going to be building up my highlighter. I'm first going to be using the Flesh Beauty Pinky highlighting stick, and then we're going to go from there. Okay, and now I'm going to be using the Becca and Chrissy Teigan highlighter palette, and I'm going to be using both highlighters. I'm going to be using Beach Nectar and Rose Gold. To finish off my highlighter, I want to use another Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. Using the same palette, I want to use the bronzer in this palette in the shade Malibu Soleil. Now I want to go in using my Catrice Ombre Blush Flush palette, and it's going to be in the shade Blurred Orange. I can already see how this look is coming together, and we're not even at the lips yet, which is also one of my favorite parts of this, and I'm just so excited because this is already looking so good. So for the lips, we're going to be using quite a few different products to get the same intensity that Ariana Grande has in her music video. So we're going to be starting off with some lip liner. So I'm going to be using the Butter London Plush Brush Lip Liner in Really Rose. And now I want to use the Wander Beauty Dual Lipstick in BB. I have been trying to keep going on with this video for about 5 minutes now, but there are mysterious sounds outside my bedroom window, because that's just how it is here, I guess. Okay, so to top that off, I want to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in Metallic Rose. The lips are very glittery, so I found some of my most glittery lip glosses, and I'm just going to use that. So moving on, I want to use this Marc Jacobs Beauty Lip Gloss. It doesn't say what color it is on the bottle, but it does say 6335A, so I guess it's that. For my next lip gloss, I want to use the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Champagne Mommy. Alright, so I think I got the glitter of this lip look down, but now it's time to lock it all in with a very juicy, glossy look. I know this looks very glossy right now, but we can make it even more glossy. And one of my favorite like super glossy lip glosses is actually the Ulta Beauty lip gloss, the Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil lip gloss in the shade Cranberry and Pomegranate. Alright, so my lips are done, and so is the rest of my face. I'm just going to set with some MAC Fix Plus spray and the Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray, and then we're going to finish the look up. Alright, so now the look is done. I loved doing this look. I love how it came out, and I love absolutely everything about this kind of makeup. I was going to put my hair up in a big high ponytail to kind of look like Ariana Grande, but I don't have extensions, and when I did that it made my hair look really thin, so we're not going to do that. If you want me to recreate someone else's look, please let me know in the comments below. I had a lot of fun with this, and I really loved how it looks. I love Ariana Grande's makeup, and I loved the music video for No Tears Left to Cry. I'm excited for the next few videos that are going to come, so stay tuned for more. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you really like this video, please share with your friends. Follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram. The links are going to be down below. And I hope you guys have a very wonderful day. Bye!